Guys, part 3 of Eber. Alright, Aber. We had looked into a tribe called the Nadi Abiriba. The Nadi Abiriba are an enterprising, culturally rich Igbo community in Abia State, Nigeria. Famously known as the Small London for their well-planned town, elegant modern mansions, and prosperous nature, located in Afia local government area. They are renowned traders, craftsmen, and farmers with a strong, deep-rooted history, often described as the Inuda Kingdom. Right. Cultural heritage, they are known as Abiriba Nidi Naganga, proud people. See the keyword Aber, just like Eber right there, romanized, right? Aber. When you look at the people, they look Negroes, right? Negroes. The Ibirabas are part of the Gungunga subtribe of the main Ikoi group. They are part of the larger Yakura group that can also be traced up to Ikom and other parts of the Cross River Basin. They are the present Yakur local government area of the Cross River State includes Igep, Agungana, Neko, Asukpam, Agbara, and others. In these areas, such as other settlements as look at that. Eber Barrow, right? I go to word Eber again. Here it is. Eber, right? As a matter of fact, the Iberis in Yakor simply changed their name to Ebum because the present Abiriba Eber, they go to word Eber, this time they have an E instead of an A, was virtually eclipsing them such that even male meant for them found their way into Abiriba of Abia State. The Abiribas are said to have lived in part of Ina clan, which there were plenty of Uda trees, hence the name Ina Uda. The shrine of the Abiriba royalty is still standing at Usakum Edna. Right? So yeah. Now we're gonna go to read more about it at this website. And then we're gonna go to the Wikipedia. Abiriba, pronounced Eberiba.
Abiriba
is an ancient Inuda kingdom in Abia State in southeastern Nigeria, traditionally an Igbo-speaking region. Right? So same thing, same information they're saying. Right? But yeah, look at the people. They're Negroes. Yeah. We're gonna go back. Tribe. You got the Ebira people. The Ebira people are a linguistic group of north central Nigeria. Right? Ebira Tayo people are predominantly found in 5 local governments in Kogi State, named Adavi, Ajokua, Ikui. Right? After decades of campaign, intellectual brainstorming, and organized Sympathia conferences, the people of Ebira from various enclaves finally secured an official spelling of the name Ebira for the ethnic group, right? So, Eber. Right? So you have, in recent history, Ebira people inhabit a territory southwest of the confluence of the Niger and Benue rivers. Though some Ebira communities also reside on the northeast of the confluence, the territory surrounding the confluence is ethnically diverse area with diffused cultural symbols. Iberian land is north of Esoko and east of Yoruba land and west of Igala land, and is dominated by deciduous woodland and rocky hills of an open savanna vegetation. So you have Edomites surround Eberites, right? Right. So during the conquest of Hazaland by the armies of the religious and political leader Utman Dan Fodio, the Ebiras came under a state conflict with the Fulani Assyrian warlords to the north and west. In the middle of the 19th century, two major communities, Igu, Khotan Karfe, as it was called Haswa, it means strong land because they fought to conquer them, but never succeeded and were not conquered. Right? British interest, which are areas. The Ibiras were not conquered by the Fulanis, helped in part by the natural defense of their hilly environment. So they're in the mountains, I think, right? Or right, hills and mountains, fighting against the Syrians. British interest in Ebira land started with the location of Royal Niger Company post in Lokoja. What is that? Royal Niger Company. So, yeah, y'all can read more about that. But yeah, y'all, we found two tribes. Two tribes. Notable people of Ebira origin. Got a man named Ohonio of Ebira land. Ado Ibrahim. Right? So, yeah. So you got the Abiriba and then you got the Ebira. Two tribes in Africa and Nigeria with the name Eber. Yep. And they were fighting against the Assyrians. And they were able to keep it since they were in the mountain hills. I think, yeah. That's it.